Hey there, Kelly McRae here, success strategist over at the Idea to Income, where we help you generate ideas that generate income. Welcome to another episode of New Tech Tuesday. Today is not really about new tech, but it's about taking care of your Facebook groups and your pages and your personal profile. Recently, I had a really good friend of mine who had been working on a group or page literally for 5.5 years. She had almost 500,000 followers, and she woke up one morning and her page was just gone. So through some due diligence, we are now hoping to be able to get that page recovered. But of course, that made me think about other business owners who have put in so much energy and effort and really don't have their Facebook pages and groups secured. So I'm going to share with you guys today, if you don't know how to do this, how to make sure that you are kind of hack proof on your Facebook. So it doesn't matter if you're on your business page, your personal page, or whatever, as long as you can see this lovely menu across the top, this is where we're going to be working from. So this little upside down triangle here, you're going to click on that and you're going to go to your settings. In your settings, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your mobile phone number is in here, and you can add a second phone number just in case you, for whatever reason, have lost your phone and that's how you got hacked or what have you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another mobile phone number here. Okay. And then I'm going to tell it to send me a text, and I'm going to continue. And then what it's going to do is it's going to send me a text so that it knows that I am who I say I am. So let me log into my cell phone really quickly and grab the text message. Okay, and let's see. And okay, then I'm going to click confirm. And I'm going to wait for that to do what it does. And it says your mobile device has been confirmed. Okay, I had another phone number here that I'm going to obviously leave. So if I want to make sure that I've got both phone numbers, I'm not sure why the second phone number isn't. There it goes. Okay, so text activated on that phone. So if I get locked out of my account or someone tries to get in, or if I lose my phone, I've got a second phone number where they can reach me. Now the other thing you want to do is you want to go here to security and login, and you want to do a two-factor authorization. So, and what this basically does is if you are logging in from an unfamiliar place, it is going to take you through some security measures that makes sure that you are indeed who you say you are. So we're going to click edit here. Then we're going to click get started. And we're going to say to send the text message to the phone number that I set up. And I can set up an app like Google Authenticator or Duo Mobile to generate login codes. So I'm going to, basically I wanted to send me this, but let's set this up just to see how it works. Okay, please use your authentication app or Google Authenticator to scan this QR code or enter this code into your authorization app. I'm going to go back because I really don't want to do that. I prefer to have it send me a text message. So I'm just going to click next on the text message, and guess what? It's going to send me another code. And now let's get that one. And that is going to be okay. And now two-factor authorization is on. We'll now ask you for a login code anytime you log in on a phone or a computer that we don't recognize. So then you just click on finish. So if you are out and about in a coffee shop and they don't recognize your IP address, they are going to make you go through this two-party authorization. Now the really cool thing obviously about that is hackers won't get the text message. Hackers won't be able to go through your Google authentication if that's what, or authentication. That's the ghetto way of saying it. Authentication, only you will be able to do that. So that just basically puts another measure of security in place so that your Facebook pages and groups and information is all safe. All right, guys, I hope that this helped someone. I wish that we had known this before my friend's page was removed, and hopefully we'll get that back. But anyway, I will see you guys again next Tuesday for another episode of New Tech Tuesday. Have a good one.